All right, maybe you guys saw the super sale for the base kit for $2,700. Maybe you saw the blow-through carburetor kit with ignition for $4,700. And remember, this is worldwide free shipping. But maybe you want the ultimate and turbocharged Classic Mini with electronic fuel injection from Specialist Components. This has been pre-programmed for our turbo kit. This is the Jet Motors turbo kit loaded up in this Delta 400 computer. You get everything for $5,700 with free shipping worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live, we will ship you one of these turbo kits for $5,700, and it includes everything. You get the intake charge pipe, the electronic fuel throttle body, the wiring harness, the Delta 400 computer, the crank fire ignition. This goes on your crank pulley to this coil, and we can control the ignition and timing all from there. Again, $5,700 gets you everything you need to turbocharge your Classic Mini with electronic fuel injection, and this is the ultimate setup. So call us today, email us. $5,700 gets you the master kit, and it's all right here on this table, and this is everything you need. Free worldwide shipping. Call me, order today. This is not going to last.